ahead, I'm recording.
You record. Over here. Over here.
Okay, we're where we need to be. I mean, we're doing what we need to do, so no worries. No, we're just getting around it a different way. Okay. Well, oh my God. Okay, yeah, we're getting pictures now. We don't have a live truck, but we're gonna go ahead and send in what we can over web and up YouTube and all that sort of stuff. All right, bye.
Here's what we have to do. See these people right here?
Yeah.
We have to make friends with them so that we're their visitors and we can't get thrown off.
Yep.
Because we're going to get thrown off. So you and I will go over there with the camera.
Okay.